Hi guys, Scotty McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 51 Whiteley Drive in the beautiful Trott Park. I've got a fantastic home, gorgeous, neat and tidy, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with an awesome entertaining area, and it's got a great studio, perfect for artists or hairdressers or massage artists. It would be perfect for any of those sorts of pursuits. There's great storage out the back with a good sized shed as well, and the garden is just beautiful. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it. Inside is absolutely beautiful, and outside it doesn't stop either. You've got this beautiful garden, awesome shed at the back, studio to my left, and of course this amazing patio area. And the other thing I really love about this home is the amount of parking. There's a double driveway leading into the carport, and also you've got the U-shaped driveway, so there's plenty of spots for cars, which is an awesome feature of this home. And of course you're very close to Hallett Cove shops, and the new Majors Road entrance to the expressway is going to cut your travel time to town as well. So it's great for those people that are working in the city. My name's Scott McFarlane from Again Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.